This is Carl of Aqua Teen Hunger Force, and this is my stone cold lock of the century. All the week. Nobody loves football like Southerners. It's a part of their everyday lives, like genetic obesity, and not having teeth or shoes, and not being able to read, and eating dead animals on the side of the road. And I'm told you Southerners like hunting, so I bet the NFC South is real excited to be hunting for new coaches now that they're the welcome mat of the league. I know Southerners are famous for their hospitality, but that don't mean you gotta give up 2/3 of your games. The last time the South was this big of a dumpster fire was when we were marching through there with Sherman burning it to the ground. This year, the NFC South got hit especially hard by the war of AFC Northern aggression, combining for just 2 wins in 14 games against that division alone, which don't leave too many opportunities to douse your coach in a thermos full of sweet tea and mint juleps. Now, luckily, New Orleans and Carolina play each other this week, so the NFC South is guaranteed at least 1 win, unless they agree to some sort of gentleman's draw in order to not ever so rudely defeat one another. I mean, come on! The entire division is up for grabs! Don't just let it sit there because grabbing's impolite. This is your opportunity to really segregate yourselves from the rest of the pack, and I know how much y'all love to do that. Now, I know the Saints got the home field disadvantage. They've lost 3 straight in the not-so-Superdome, but everything moves a little slower in Carolina, including the running backs and the wideouts. So I'm just going to go with God here, since y'all don't teach evolution down there. And I'm saying that the New Orleans Saints are Carl's stone cold lock of the century. All the way.